and I have a corporation that I do the business through, right? And so I realized that I could invest with this corporation with corporate accounts through brokerages. And I said, hey, well, it'd be cool for me to combine my love and passion and interest for investing and combine it with this corporation that I have. And I figured I could go higher leverage and track the results better through the corporation than I could doing it personally. And so that's the idea of what this is just my own corporation investing my own money from the business that I'm doing and trying to track the results and giving you guys updates of some of the things that I'm watching out for during the week, some of the things that are of interest to me, and some of the things that I'm doing. And so that's all this is. All right, so this is not tailored financial advice, not licensed to do so. Just tracking the progress as I'm building this portfolio. That's it.